and here's a quick video review of how to select a dissertation chair.
A quick summary of how to choose a dissertation chair. A dissertation chair acts as your advisor, leader, and liaison person. Your chair should be a Wilkes University faculty member with a ED or PhD. Complete an approval for appointment of dissertation committee chair form and submit. Your dissertation chair is responsible for selecting the committee with you, technical direction, content direction, liaising with the committee, organizing meetings. In addition, they will ensure academic rigor, adherence to APA, and checking all ethics requirements are met. They will also serve as an examiner during your dissertation defense. Choosing a dissertation chair is an important process, and I hope this how-to guide is helpful.
If you need more information about choosing a dissertation chair, here are some useful links. Thank you for listening to the video. Bye.